Hi everyone, I'm Candy from Pinhe, also known as Pinhe Precision. Today I'm at Baicheng, where they are cutting white magnolia marble using our super thin sewing machine. One key component of this machine is the roller. After several months of continuous use, it needs to be replaced to ensure stable performance and precise cutting. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to replace the rollers. First, clean the rollers using some lubricated cleaner. Replace the rollers into position. Tighten the screws to secure them. Next, insert the rod that connects the main spindle to the sub-spindle, and you are all set.